In my long video, I told you about that there are only 5 methods, there are only 5 ways through which you can get sales and leads for your businesses. So in that 5 things, in the 5 ways of generating sales and lead for your businesses, the ads part is the most important. Like the advertisement is the majority of shareholder, majority of the portions are taken by ads, because ads is the thing that if you are utilizing very profitably, if you are utilizing, you can even build your brand by using those things. Like people are seeing your ad again and again, so it is just you are creating a memory in their mind so that you will get things right and make your brand look like a real brand in their image. So these things happen, and majority of people who are doing ads think they don't understand one thing, that psychology is the basic thing for all ads. No matter it is service based industry ad or product based industry ad, it is the same. So you have to focus on those basic tactics that is required to make your ad campaign successful, and it will become successful when you apply those rules and regulations, the data tracking, the enhanced conversion things, the creatives, the things that are required to make your ad successful.